So this one for my patty lovers. Who has the best patty? Right now I just went to Taste Right. I'm gonna do a whole patty video, matter of fact. For my island folks who like patties, I think Taste Right is the best patty. This thing is hot too. Flaky, just right. You know I don't eat meat, so no beef patty for me. Hold on, I gotta break it in half. You know how they be doing. Ackee salad fish. Good fish patty. Oh wow. Taste Right had the best patty. I don't eat beef. They got the best fish patty. If you ain't making a mess in your car, patty ain't good. Flaky, just right, seasoned right. Man, there's no way to have a straight salt fish patty. Just right. Big up yourself. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a. Who y'all think is the who y'all think has the best patty in South Florida? That's my South Florida. If you want to put your state or city, put that into. But who have the best patty? I'm voting Taste right now. Taste Right, big up yourself. Fish patty bomb. Ackee salt fish patty bud. Real Ackee in there now. Real Ackee. Real Ackee. I gotta go get this car clean. I gotta go get my car clean because I made a mess. Watch your body.